How to remove your profile picture on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, just open VK and now click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these three lines. Click these 3 points, and here we'll find edit profile. Click on it, and here you will find your profile. Click on your profile and then click delete photo and click this save icon here, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.